Opening a Demat and trading account on Share.Market is super simple. All you need to do is log in using your mobile number, share your email, PAN, do your KYC verification, add your bank account details, submit your selfie, signature, and e-sign the contract. Before we get started, keep in mind that the mobile number you use must be linked to your Aadhaar. First, log in using your mobile number. Now enter your email ID and the email verification code sent to your email ID. You can then enter your PAN, check your name, and proceed with the KYC verification. We use DigiLocker to fetch your documents and make opening an account quick and easy. Enter your Aadhaar number and the OTP sent to the mobile number. If you've already registered with DigiLocker, enter your DigiLocker security PIN. If you're not yet registered, don't worry, you will be signed up for it. Now you will need to allow us access to the documents in your DigiLocker account. Once the documents are fetched, enter your KYC details. Make sure to check your declarations and select the settlement type for your unused funds. Now that you have added all required KYC details, it's time to add your nominees. You can choose to do this now or later. After this, enter your bank account details and we'll verify it by crediting 1 rupee to your bank account. Next, submit a selfie and add your signature. Great! You're almost there. All you need to do is e-sign the contract. For this, enter your Aadhaar number and enter the OTP sent to your mobile number. And that's it. Once you've completed these steps, your Demat and trading account will be opened within 3 working days. Investments in securities are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.